my opinion. First of all, a lot of head of sales do not have the capability to listen and understanding the customer pain point. We all know that the most difficult thing for a sales excited person is to listen, because otherwise he cannot do properly the head of sales role once he is replacing the sales rep.
VSHR Pro Academy, empowering companies by people, expertise, and strategy. What are the two common skill gaps do you see among the head of sales?
in my opinion, first of all, a lot of head of sales do not have the capability to listen and understanding the customer pain points, because they are so used to be in the sales arena, they know the business, and they really don't stop to listen carefully to understand where really customers needs improvement, instead of just looking for the immediate transactional flow. And why this is critical? Because if they act like that, being the sales head, their team will be doing the same. And we all know that the most difficult thing for a sales excited person is to listen, which means that these characteristics should be really solved in a head of sales in order that he can lead by example to the team and teach them. This is one thing. But second thing, very critical, when you have a head of sales that was previously a sales rep, and this is the most common situation, it's very common that when they are interacting in a business situation together with the team, that they jump in and they do themselves. So this is also very critical, because you are with a customer that belongs to your sales rep, does not belong necessarily to the head of sales. But from the moment that you have the temptation to do yourself, really you are just putting on the side your sales rep, and then you have an additional problem, because if you start doing that so often, suddenly you don't need a sales rep. You are doing yourself everything, which is not possible. This is very critical, mostly in the customers that normally were your previous customers, because there is an intimacy coming from the past. There is an expertise and experience that the sales manager has, and he needs to be able to transfer this to the sales rep, because otherwise he cannot do properly the head of sales role once he is replacing the sales rep. So this is also something that is common, is a common behavior, and is difficult. I know a couple of people that come to, they were promoted to be the head of sales, and they were never able to fix this. And this has some impact in some specific customers, because there are customers that you cannot just transfer to someone. So you are there doing the sales role forever.
Are you looking to make your workforce more productive and effective? Yes, right? So then I have a great news for you. So check out the description section of this video. There is a bunch of scorecard for you. So what is this scorecard for? So those scorecard can help you to assess different aspects of your workforce present situation. And then when you take the scorecard, you will get understanding of your present situation. You will get industry benchmarks. And not only that, you will also receive our expert advice as well too. So you can tackle them and make your workforce more productive and effective as well too. And one more great thing, there is no fees for scorecards. So feel free to use and also share to your friends and other colleagues as well too. And if you need more our help, so check the also description section. There is a link for us where you can book an appointment with our expert to have a conversation as well too. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.